Hi, this is Dave Wetzel, your CEO from MLSListings. Just wanted to take a real short minute and tell you about something that you've probably read about in one of our emails. This is related to showings. There was recently an update in Matrix, and we are pulling over URLs from the 3 East Bay MLSs, Bay East, Contra Costa Bridge MLS. And if they've put a URL for showing in the listing, then we will bring it over and make it available for you. So if you're a buyer agent, you can click on that and schedule showings for their listings over there. We're also continuing to work on aligned showings. You probably heard me talk about this in some of the previous videos or emails, and we've got it now connected into a sandbox, and staff has just started getting their hands on it. And we're looking at a Q2 release date for getting aligned showings here so that you as listing agents can set up showings here. That'll have all of the features that a normal showing tool or scheduling tool would have, so that listing agents who do not need to get into the middle of approving those can just have the system approve them, and others who may have a seller living in the house and want to make sure that they approve those times before they're set in stone can do that. So lots of different features that has, and that's why we're going through and doing some testing on it now. So watch for some more coming out in Q2 around aligned showings. But look at Matrix now and see what you have there available from the 3 MLSs in the East Bay in terms of scheduling listings using whatever they've got available in the listing.
Check out our latest vendor spotlight featuring Symbium CEO Leila Banjamali as she demos new features such as 3D layering and permit information.
But here you could just go right to Symbium.com, and just like Google Maps will give you turn-by-turn directions to a different property, Symbium will give you turn-by-turn directions as to what's possible on your property or on any property.
NAR has recently made some rule changes. Click on our Pro Support banner to make sure you stay in compliance with the new policies. The new Pro Dashboard has arrived. It's mobile-friendly and fully configurable to suit your needs. Get up-to-the-minute info instantly upon login. Just click on the new Pro Dashboard link at the top of our Pro Support page. Make sure to check out our Pro Support page for additional videos on a full range of topics. And don't forget to click that subscribe button on our MLS Listings YouTube page.